In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize any YouTube video using Claude AI in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student researching a topic or a busy professional trying to catch up on content, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube video you want to summarize. For this demonstration, we'll be using a popular TED Talk, but this method works for any video that includes a transcript. Once you're on the video page, scroll down below the video player. You're looking for the video's description box. This is where you'll typically find additional information and, most importantly, for our task, the transcript. Next, find and click the Show Transcript button. Clicking this will open a new panel on the right side of the screen, displaying the full text of the video's narration or dialogue. You'll notice the transcript includes timestamps by default. To get a clean summary from our AI, it's best to remove these. The next step is to click the three-dot menu, also known as the More Options button, at the top of the transcript panel. From the menu that appears, select Toggle Timestamps. This action will instantly hide all the time markers, leaving you with just the raw, clean text from the video. This is a crucial step to ensure the AI focuses only on the content of the speech. Now that the text is clean, you need to select all of it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse from the very beginning to the end, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. With all the text selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted area to bring up the context menu. From this menu, select the Copy option to copy the entire transcript to your clipboard. The next step is to head back over to the Claude AI interface. Simply click on its icon in your dock or switch windows to bring it to the front. Now paste the entire transcript you copied into the chat box. You can right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V. After pasting the text, it's time to give Claude its instructions. Type a clear prompt such as, "Please remove the fluff and give me the actionable key points of this transcript." Finally, click the Send Message button to submit your request. Claude will now begin to read, analyze, and process the entire transcript based on your prompt. This may take a few moments depending on the length of the text, so just give it a little time to work its magic. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a condensed, actionable summary of a long YouTube video. Claude has extracted the core concepts and provided a list of practical tips, saving you a significant amount of time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.